track, I think it's gonna be better than last race, and yeah, the dirt is quite similar from Indonesia.
Hard packed red dirt. We do have stuff like this in Australia, but typically when we get here, it's all fluffed up nice and it's heaps of moisture. It's going to be interesting because they've got water on it, but I don't know if it's going to soak in.
Yeah, we're just trying to size up where the finish line is, so I know to jump straight. It'll be a good weekend, I think. We'll go have a bit of a walk and suss it out.
All right. Ang schedule namin today is pasyal-pasyal lang. Tama yung mga riders.
I just got my license.
Right, another day for testing and tuning and practice for our riders. Right, so dito na kami sa airport na Conchita Marat. Nakarga na yung mga gamit. Alright, so it's 3 a.m. Alright, so second set of testing namin sa mga motor and tuning. Nandito kami sa bagong track sa Saraburi. Kakarating lang namin, medyo late afternoon na kasi malayo tong Saraburi galing sa Rangsit. Pero dito na kami. Ang ganda ng layout ng track. Medyo may mga bato-bato lang pero sobrang ganda dito. So, ito yung mga riders natin nagre-ready na, pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so ito yung track layout nila. Yan yung finish line. Ganyan. Diretso all the way back. Motocross style talaga to, parang MXGP. Tapos may parts pa doon sa likod pag ganun-ganon. Tapos dito, balik dito, lipad. Then dito, right turn, go up, jump again, punta doon, left turn, jump dito, receiver, go this way, ikot, right hander there, and then pabalik doon, left hander, tabletop, back to the finish line. Yeah, ang ganda ng layout nila. Tapos yung viewing area nila dito, very nice. Parang nagpipiknik lang kayo. It's really nice here. Tapos yung weather ngayon, perfect. Perfect weather. It's cloudy. Tapos malamig. Really good. Right, so nagpa-practice na si Alfarizi. Tapos parang may problema yung motor na hindi ko alam kung flat or ano. Kakarating lang dito, galing doon ni rescue. Tingnan natin. Oy. Very bad. Ito. Practice bike lang to.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you.
Amo ni bago na mo niya bagay yung design.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 I got shit to do after math and preparation.
Alright, another day for testing and tuning and practice for the riders. So, dito same area pa rin kami pero ibang racetrack na naman for today. Eto, tingin ko mas maganda, no? So, yeah. Pakita ko sa inyo yung buong track. So, sobrang lamig dito guys. Parang 22 ata ngayon pero mahangin kasi, so it feels like 20 or like mga 18. Malamig, so wala tayong jacket. Double t-shirt na lang tayo for today. Ito guys, oh, tingnan nyo yung videographer natin. Oh. Alright guys, no? So kahapon yan yung gulong ni Joel, oh. Ah, tingnan niyo yung spikes. Kalahati na lang, oh. Dapat ganito, oh. Dapat ganyan. Kalahati na lang. Yan. Lahat yan, oh. Pud. So, no in the works. Change to brand new tires. Yan, sinahang. Yan. Very respected mechanic dito. Sobrang galing. Siya yung handle sa dalawang motor, mga motor ni Sam Larsen tsaka kay Rayu, tapos yung kay Alfarizi tsaka kay Joel kami. So, yung motor ni Joel, brand new yun pero ngayon wala na yung lining. Put na. So, magpapalit kaming lining. And then, stock muna kasi practice pa. So, after that, before racing, magpapalit kami ulit ng aftermarket. Pero sa ngayon, stock lang muna kasi susok natin. Nasa track side tayo, so plastic lang tayo mag-soak ng oil. Kailangan kasi yan, advisable na soak talaga. First time ko kasi makita yung lining ng Kawasaki. Magkaiba. Soak muna natin. Right, so ito yung clutch ni Joel guys. Oh. Brand new yan pero wala na. Yan. Nagre-rainbow na. Yan o. So, that's a sign na kailangan na talaga palitan. Wala na yan pag ganyan. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get. So, ito, na-soak na yung lining. Bago na. Na-oil na. Pati friction plate, papalitan na lang din natin. Kasi nagre-rainbow na yung isa din. Pag nagkabit kayong friction plate guys, check nyo yung sides. One side is soft. Yung soft side in most of the time, no? KTM lang yung alam kong hindi soft side in. Yung naiba is usually first and last. Sa mga KTM, mas manipis yung first and last. So yung TX parang BTR na rin. Wala nang clutch spring. Belleville washer na tawag dito. So ito torque na natin, no? Half muna, tapos half sa torque spec, tapos full. Nice. Yan, tapos pag na-torque mo na lahat, criss-cross pattern, around ka, review lang. Yan, so all goods. Pasok mo yung extrang oil. Technique naman sa mga bolt guys, kung hindi nyo alam, pasok ko muna to tulad nito, may mga mahaba. Hindi nyo alam where it goes, pasok nyo lang. If it goes to the right hole, kahit different length sila, yung exhaust dito is the same. See? Pare-pareho. Pag nagkabaliktad yan, imposibleng magkakapareho yan. Lubog, sobrang angat. So, ganyan lang yung technique. Sa kahit anong makina, kahit anong brand, kahit anong motor, pare-pareho yan. Yan. So, that confirms na tama yung pinaglalagyan natin ng mga bolts. 10 Newton yun guys. Alright, so today dito pa rin kami sa Kauyay, pero wala na kaming testing and practice because ang schedule namin today is pasyal-pasyal lang. Tama yung mga riders, everybody's here. Everybody's here. Tapos ang ganda ng lugar. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo. I'll show you more.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone. In the middle of the street. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't pay that please. God forbid you scrape your knees. But it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you.
I just got my license.
Alright, so tapos na kami mag-tuning and practice para sa FMSCT Round 2. So ngayon, nagpa-final conditioning na kami sa mga race bike. Nagpapalit ng graphics, nagpapalit ng gulong, system. So hopefully matapos namin lahat by tonight. Bukas magkakarga na kami, tapos gagawin pa namin yung truck kasi bumili tayong bagong truck. And then after that, diretso na sila biyahe tomorrow night para kasi ang layo ng racetrack, parang 8 hours, 11 hours, something like that. So mauna na sila ng one day, kami the following day pa kami mag-aeroplano lang. Hopefully matapos lahat tonight. Okay, so natanggal na namin yung gear sa likod ng basket sa stock. Kakabit na namin dito sa Hinson. No? So, nakabit na namin lahat sa Hinson. Pa-assemble na ngayon. Kung nagkabit kayo ng ganito, clutch basket, most of the time may marker talaga yung washer nyo sa outside. So just keep an eye on it. Dapat yung nakamark na outside talaga. Ayan, review na lang tayo. Today, kasama sa preparation namin para sa round 2, in-schedule kami ni Boss Bunta dito para sa welding works ng bagong truck natin, no? Bumili kasi kami ng bagong truck, tapos kailangan gawin yung interior para ma-arrange yung mga gamit natin pang motocross. Kakarating lang namin dito yung truck natin. Waiting na yung shop, ready na sila. Baba lang namin yung gamit para ma-test fit doon sa loob kung paano yung configuration and ma-set kung saan lagay yung mga boxes, spare tires, spare wheel sets, and etc. So yeah, yun yung gagawin natin today. Alright, so it's 3 a.m. 3 a.m. na, nag-welding pa rin kami kasi yung shop kanina na pinaweld namin ayaw nila mag-overtime, so lumipat kami ng shop. Welding naman ulit kasi kailangan ng mga supporting braces para matibay yung mga racks natin para sa mga boxes tsaka sa gulong. So pakita ko sa inyo yung gulong natin, no? Ayan, naka-weld na. Ayan. So dito na naman magwe-weld ngayon. Dito na naman ngayon. So yeah. Right, so dito na kami sa airport na Conchita Marat. Nakarga na yung mga gamit. Flight namin is 1 hour 20. Tapos drive ulit to 1 hour 20. So yeah, dito sa kabilang side tayo. So let's go. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So kakarating lang natin sa racetrack. Ocular muna tayo, no? Tingnan natin yung sitwasyon, kind of soil, and everything else. So, yeah, we'll see. So, ano siya? For this round, 2 rounds actually to. Clay siya, no? It's clay. Ayan, no? If you can see sa likod ko, it's clay. So, yeah. Let's ask the riders about the first impression.
Well, first impression, hard packed red dirt. We do have stuff like this in Australia, but it typically when we get here, it's all fluffed up nice and it's heaps of moisture. It's going to be interesting because they've got water on it, but I don't know if it's going to soak in.
Yeah, looks compact still.
They need a bigger pump.
Yep. The jumps are big enough, Sam?
Yeah, we're just trying to size up where the finish line is, so I know to jump straight. It'll be a good weekend, I think. We'll go have a bit of a walk and suss it out.
All right. First impression, riders. How's the track?
It's a good track. I think it's gonna be better than the last race, and yeah, the dirt is quite similar from Indonesia. Like where I live, is like a little bit of red clay as always. And, yeah, feeling good. Ready to go.
All right. Ito guys, napakita ko sa inyo yung better view ng racetrack. Umakyat tayo dito sa isang big jump para may parang bird's eye view tayo konti sa buong racetrack. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, start straight. Straight. Right turn. Whoops. Diretso all the way. Left turn. Whoops ulit. Tapos, etong big jump natin ngayon. Oo, big jump. Receiver doon. Nasaan sila? That's the receiver. Tapos, slight left. Going na doon sa likod. So, malaki yung track. Looks good. Medyo hard pack lang. Tingin ko kahit babasain nila, mag-hard pack pa rin. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Yan o. Ano? Mga ganyan. So, feeling ko sa race day, it will all be like that.
Something better.